Good morning, students. Today we are going to start our unit 4, that is the entrepreneurial skills. So, in this chapter, there are two sessions. First session is the types of business activities. So, now today we are discuss our first section, that is the types of business activities. As you all know that we need to identify our area of interest and our inner strength to develop our skills. So in today's life, we have to face tough competitions, various types of problems, challenges, etc. So if we want to win from these competitions or from these challenges, we have to need an optimistic and think differently from others. So now let's start with our chapter, that is the entrepreneurial skills. So first of all, you must be know about that what is the meaning of entrepreneur. Basically, entrepreneur is the person who takes risk and to start a new business or to start something new. So entrepreneurship is the process of identifying and starting a new business which helps him to taking both the risk and resources for the starting of a new business. So now our next focus that what are the entrepreneurial characteristics and skills. So if you take a look around at the world, you will find that there are various types of entrepreneurs are available from all the age groups. So entrepreneurs have been successful at a very young age while others have struggled and proposed over time. Now here I can take two examples. One example is from the McDonald's and second example is from the Facebook. These two examples shows that Facebook was started by the youngsters in their 20s, whereas the founders of McDonald's were in the late 50s when they started their ventures. So in short, if we want to start a new business, there may be a or there must not be any age limit. There are various characteristics and features of an entrepreneur. He must be a confident, risk taker, flexible, core values, competitive in nature, highly motivated, problem solving, etc. So these are the basic characteristics of an entrepreneur. So what are the skills that are available in an entrepreneur? First, he must be able to plan differently from others. He must have a marketing skills, team building skills, leadership quality. Communication skills is the very important for becoming an entrepreneur. Self confidence. These are the various qualities of successful entrepreneur. Means what may be features included in the entrepreneur, like 12.5% consists of leadership quality, risk taking, energetic level, creativity includes 6.2%. It means think differently from others to become an entrepreneur. So there are some entrepreneurs in the local communities. Like here I can take one picture from my local community. Like in the first picture, the shopkeeper that you see in a shopping complex, that all the entrepreneurs who are engaged in different types of business activities. Some entrepreneurs also deal in business activities which provide daily life essentials like Maggie, sauce, chocolates, etc. So there are some other business which are very important in any neighborhood. So this picture shows that there is a one entrepreneur who deals in our local society and sells the daily activity products. So students, there is a one quote. It says that the future belongs to those who prepare for it today. So in this slide there is a one picture. So now let's understand day-to-day activities of an entrepreneur with the help example or with the help of this picture in a grocery store. Like you must have visited the grocery store near your house. So here are some activities that are a part of your business. First, the shopkeeper purchases goods from his shop. He sells his goods and keeps on adding new stock. his sales and earning may fluctuate. Why? Because at the season of a festival, their sales increases. And at times there may be customers and all of them may want to be attend immediately. So he has to be calm and patient when he deals with the customers. He has to handle the cash carefully without any mistake. He has to pay salaries to his employees. He has to pay electricity bill for his shop. He has to maintain or spend the time on the shop. So thus we see that a shopkeeper has to manage so many things. So this picture shows that if you want to become an entrepreneur, you must have a number of skills to attract more and more customers. Skills like creativity, finance skills, marketing skills, accounting skills, innovative skills, communicative skills.